Hi everyone, this is Yolanda, and I am just so excited today to have Linette McDaniels here with us. Linette has her own business. It's called Sweet Delights by Lynn. And the way that we met her, my husband and I were at an event, back in December, I think, or maybe November. November. And she had these cookies, she had cakes and the whole works. I was like, where did this come from? So we had to take a moment to just sit down with her and talk with her. And I wanted to share it with you because I know you too will be delighted by the delights that she has. So just wanted to introduce you to our friends and
Hello.
family. And if you could tell us a little bit, Lynn, how you got started. What made you decide to do baking?
Well, to be honest, Miss Yolanda, I didn't want to do baking at first.
Okay.
I went to culinary school to get my cooking skills up at Johnson & Wales Culinary School, and we had a baking class. And when I took that one baking class, I was like, I don't want to bake. I don't want to bake because it's so much that you have to put into it. And then just one morning, I just woke up and I was like, I want me some biscuits. And I was like, so, okay, well, Linette, get up and make you some. And so I found a recipe and made me some homemade biscuits.
Ooh, that's my favorite. I love this homemade biscuits. But anyway, yeah.
And they came out well. And from there, I just started just looking up things just to bake.
Good.
Just to bake. Just baking and baking. I think the first thing I might have baked was a lemon pound cake. And it was very good. And then from there, I just started baking and letting people taste it. My peanut butter cookies was the first thing.
Yeah, you did have some of those out there.
So from there, I just started, introducing them to people, just giving them out, just letting people taste it, and they begin to like it. And from there, I just kept going.
Well, who do you service? What type of I guess what communities do you serve, or do you specialize in a certain area that you're marketing, or is it anyone? Tell us who you serve.
Anyone, to be honest, but right now it's just in Columbia. I did have the pleasure of someone that was in Georgia. My niece's mother-in-law wanted a cake, and I did ship it to her.
Okay.
So I'm willing to do that. If somebody needed something shipped to them, I'm willing to do that. So it's just anywhere that anybody wants to be delighted by my desserts.
Good,
Right.
good. So then tell me, do you cater for like large parties, or do you do just individuals, or both?
I do both.
Both, okay. So
Both.
you do.
But if they needed something like for an office party, or maybe a bridal shower, or just an event like that, I will be more to cater to them, make them cookies, cakes, whatever they
Awesome.
delight in.
And how long have you been doing this, Linette?
Well, it's been maybe 2 years.
2
Maybe
years.
2 years.
What do you like the most about it?
I like it because the kitchen is like my relaxation space. I love being there. I love taking the time to bake something from my heart, really, because I feel like people in any area, if they get something good, they love it. It's a chance to talk with them, you get to know them more. I just like putting in the time that I do, even though sometimes it can be intense, but I love doing it because I want to make somebody happy, somebody smile.
Good. Well, as I said, we met and we had the pleasure of meeting and eating. Meeting with her a few months back, and eating some of her delightful cookies and cakes. And we were very, very pleased. And as I know that you will as well. So Linette, will you please tell them how they can get in contact with you to make any arrangements, to place any orders, Facebook, website, phone numbers? Can you share that with us, please?
Yes, I will start off with, I do have a Facebook page, and it is Sweet Delights by Lynn. I also have a webpage, which is www.sweetdelightsbylin.com, and my phone number is 704-968-2984.
Will you give that number one more time, please?
And it is 704-968-2984. I prefer calls more than anything, or
Great.
text messages if you like.
Thank you. We are so excited for you. We know that
Thank
God
you.
has major plans for you.
Yes.
And we're excited to be a part of it. So
Thank you.
kudos to you.
Thank you,
And
Miss
we
Yolanda.
look forward to working with you again in the future.
Thank you so much, Ed. Thank you for having me.
You are very, very welcome. So again, there you go. You got the sweet tooth. Give Linette a call. Take good care. Bye.
Yo, the kitchen is my happy place.
Oh,
my
wow.
extra happy place. I'm telling you, I can be tired. My sister was like, darling, I thought you was tired. But it seems like when I get in the kitchen, all of that, I love it.
That's good.